Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got something really different today. This is a console. Well, not actually a console, a Consolette, and made by Peter Pan here in Australia, and 1949 to 51, approximately around about there. So as you can see, it's different to what we're used to, isn't it? It stands about 26 inches high, and at its depth, maximum depth, that's about 6.5 inches there. Now, this is the model HN. That's about all. Again, as I said, made in Australia, but the Regent radio company in New Zealand also released this particular model. They call it the Flying Wing. Anyway, simple stuff, two controls, volume, which just seems to want to spin on its own, and tuning, and we can just see the dial pointer move, so that's working well. Alright, got to get this thing opened. As you can see, I'll bring it around and you can see all my crap on the floor there, just valves and whatnot, components I'm always using, just like them close at hand. And there's the back of it there, so a bunch of screws to take out. I'll get them done and we'll have a look inside. Okay, here we go. Speaker, I can see that, and look at that, chassis down below, and we've got these two poles there. Yeah, that's just not, that's, oh sorry, wrong one there, tone. Okay, so shouldn't be too hard, and from what I can see, let's zoom in, that apart from being dusty, looks untouched. Oh, maybe that red cap there, maybe, I don't know, probably. Anyway, we'll get this thing out, I'll work out how to get it out, and hopefully we can get this thing going. Okay, here it is out of the case, and yeah, have been looking at it properly. That's been changed, of course, and that's been changed out to primary filter caps. There's a couple of cathode bypasses in there as well. They don't look to be, no, I can't see that they've been changed. So, it should be okay. Other than that, the rest of it's pretty original. And there it is, so 5 valves. I can't recall what they are, but I think they're pretty much standard. 5x3, I'm guessing 6v6 there. Yeah, and whatever, maybe no, gold covered cap, so whatever that is, we'll find out. And little critters have been laying eggs and whatnot in there. But anyway, I've got the speaker out as well, just over there. I will hook that up and we'll give it a power up, see what happens. Okay, we're ready, and we'll monitor the voltage of the second cap there. That should go directly to earth, that one, negative side. I've tested the speaker, put some audio through it, it's fine, so is the output transformer. Okay, here we go. Pardon me. Oh, that way. Alright, pardon my arm, and let's bring the voltage up a little bit. Pardon me while I'm mucking around trying to turn things on, and I should have had them on. So we've got DC, that's at 120 volts of mains. Let's put it up a bit higher. Where's my volume? There. My station is there. Okay, 160 volts, 180. Is this thing going to work? Voltage isn't really high enough, is it? We've got life. Oh, but the other thing, I haven't plugged the end, or connected my antenna up. I think that's it. nothing. Could be a valve. Let me turn the lights off and I will have a look. Naturally I can't see anything, so I'm going to have to turn the thing around and have a look at it that way. So pardon me while I do all that. Okay, check the valves. They're all glowing. I'm getting some noise when I touch the IF IF amplifier valve, 6G8. I'm getting nothing on the mixer, so I'm going to swap that out. That might make a difference. Hopefully it will. There it is there. Just thought I'd show it to you. Absolutely no markings on it. I'll tell you what, without a schematic, yeah, you'd be pushing shit uphill, making a guess as to what the mixer valve's going to be. But luckily, I do have a schematic, and that's available down below on the link. So I'm just going to go look that up and find out what the valve is. Okay, had a look, and apparently the mixer is a 6A8, and our second valve, IF amp, is a 6B for bulb 8, not a 6G8. Well, unless, you know, they swap valves during production, you know, during the production series, but yeah, I mean, I've got no idea. Could be just about anything. So I'm going to get a 6A8 first, and then, if we get no joy, I'll put in a 6B8. Okay, swap the valve out, so we've got a 6A8 in there. Let's turn that thing back on. Okay, and let's get some power to it, and pardon my arm. Well, the voltage is quite good. And, yeah. Oh, I can hear something. There's my volume control. Right. Nothing. Nope. Wants to. That's just me. Did I put in a dud 6A8? Maybe. Sounds like a valve to me. No, wasting my time here. What I'll try is, I'll try another 6A8, just in case. Okay, I've grabbed another 6A8 and thought, well, you know, yeah, again, why not? I've tried 3 already, you know, so, oh, that doesn't mean much. I mean, you know, yeah, I've come across stud valves, you know, a whole line of them, one after the other. So anyway, let's try the new one. I suppose I should really test my valves before I use them, but I don't. Anyway, so what have we got? Voltage. Whoa!
Soon to be released record, Golden, and that was the truth, and ain't that the truth?
It works!
We had Ruth Parker from her record.
Not bad.
The band's theatrical appeal with an arsenal.
Not bad. Right, turn that off. Whoa! I really thought I was going to have troubles with this, but you know, hearing that prior to that valve, hearing the crackling coming through, that indicated to me that definitely a valve. Oh, a bad connection somewhere, but usually a valve. So anyway, hey, it works. Cool. I'll be honest, guys, I am really relieved. This is too good a radio to fail on. So I'm going to, first off, I'm going to have a break, but when I come back, I'll change those two main filter caps, and then we'll start recapping all the waxies, and it should be a goer, and there shouldn't be any more problems with this. Fingers crossed, eh? Back soon. Okay, I've got, pardon me, I've got the filter caps in, one there, and one over there, two 16s, and the negatives both go to the chassis, to earth. What I haven't done is I haven't checked the choke. I'm assuming it works, given that the radio works. So positive. We should get around about 500 ohm. Yep, 547 ohms. So that's all good. Right, we'll monitor the second cap, the voltage on that, and let's, pardon me again, my arm, the way I've got my setup here, and keep touching the camera. So up we go. Come on. And what have I got? What's going on here? Pardon me, sorry, yeah, voltage is okay. Silly me. And there we go. $169 volts, so I'm bringing the power up. 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. That's good stabilising going down. And no sound. Alright, I'll check out my connections, and yeah, since I'll be moving things around, and then I'll come back to you. Alright, I've checked the connections, everything seems okay. Unless the valves died. Anyway, let's give it some power. Just turn it on. Voltage is really good, 348, 341, that's all dropping, that's good. I think we've got, there we go. Not bad. It's pretty good sound. Horse racing.
News. Emergency services say they'd feared the worst before finding Tampa.
All good. Alright, so next thing, let's get rid of these old waxies and check a couple of resistors, and hey, it should be good to go. I reckon so. Back soon. Okay, things are good. Things are moving quite well. Done, what, 4 caps? And
it's proved to be a very good decision. So 5-year-old gelding.
Sounds alright. Sounds alright. So what have I got left? One tucked in there, you bugger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more caps to do, and hopefully it'll sound a little bit better. But anyway, I'll get those all out and replace them with new ones, and we'll check some resistors while I'm at it, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, all that recapping's done, and quite a few resistors as well. And we'll just turn this thing on, and yep, wait for it. Hopefully it still works. Here we go.
By the Monday Music Mash. It's coming up after this.
Not bad. Good stuff. Alright, now got to get this thing back, and decided to call this the Boomerang, given the shape, and that reminds me of a song. My boomerang won't come back. Let's just play a little bit now.
Boomerang won't come back.
Your boomerang won't come back.
My boomerang won't come back. My boomerang
Yeah, you get the idea anyway. So, alright. I'll get this back in the case and we can wrap this video up. Okay, here it is, guys, all back together, and hopefully it still works. Oh, lights are on. It's always good. And yeah, I reckon it's great. And to me, it seems like it would fit in real nice with an Art Deco
well, here is
furnishings.
The thing. All right, so To Kill a Mockingbird was written when she was around 34, and it became an immediate success.
Your details, and I will contact my daughter.
Cool.
Most.
Nice. Yep. Well, okay. I think the owner's going to be very, very happy with it. And yeah, so that was it. A nice, interesting radio to do for once. Actually, Beachfly's standard Phillips and Chryslers and Astors and that I'm always doing. Never run out of those things. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will be back very soon, and we'll exit with good old Charlie Drake, and My Boomerang Won't Come Back. Really, a song they don't play on the radio anymore. I wonder why, huh? Okay, guys, catch ya. Bye.
My boomerang won't come back. My